Hello everybody, and so we are on another week of our critical vocabulary words. So let us go ahead and get started. Now our first word of the day is auction. Now I'd like y'all to sit back and think, auction. What does it mean? So an auction, it is an event where items are sold to the person who offers the most money. An example used in a sentence is, you can purchase just about anything at an auction as long as you are the highest bidder. Now our next word is drifting. Now, based on this picture, what do you think drifting means? Drifting. If you are drifting, you are moving slowly without much direction. An example used in a sentence is, while we were scuba diving, we saw a bag slowly drifting above the reef. So it was moving very slowly in the water, just floating along. Now our next word is damp. Now, damp. What might this word mean? So damp. If something is damp, it feels a little wet. An example used in a sentence is, Mom asked me to move the load of damp clothes from the washing machine into the dryer, so meaning that the clothes were a little wet after being washed and they needed to be dried. So these are our critical vocabulary words of the day, and I will see you guys back tomorrow for a couple more. And while you have the time to come back and review these words so that you can get better acquainted with them and to practice them for our vocabulary quiz on Friday. Have a good day.